Borderfree just went public this morning. The company priced its stock at $16, already trading at 19 and change, getting off to a good start on its first day of public trading. If you're not familiar with Borderfree, well, they are a global e-commerce solution for some of the most major retail names. And joining me now is the CEO, Michael DeSimone. So, Michael, let's talk about this, because not only does your company help get the packages to the door for these major names like Macy's and J. Crew, you name it, Under Armour, Warby Parker, but you also get a lot of information about those customers, right?
We collect a lot of data on the transaction itself, and we have a pretty good view into what's happening in e-commerce around the world, what consumers are buying, what products, how they trend, what categories trend. And we use that data to help our customers make better decisions about their business in terms of marketing it and growing it. We really see it as a way to help them power their business going forward, because we think the international opportunity for U.S. retailers and really all retailers via the e-commerce channel is just tremendous.
So how are you able to do this? You are in every country's got to have its own special quirks, right?
Yeah, it is. There's a lot of variance from country to country, and that might be something related to customs that can change, obviously. In over 105 geographies around the world, there's a lot of different customs agencies and different rules about importing things into those countries. But there's different things that are customary in those countries. There's different payment options. There's currencies to deal with. It is a fairly complex challenge to be able to sell internationally and sell well.
And obviously something that these retailers are happy to have someone else do for them. So what kind of things are you seeing as far as the trends in this global e-commerce place?
Well, I think one of the most interesting trends, because we reach so many different geographies, is over the past few years to see how the landscape of where consumers are buying from has changed. Currently, all of our retailers are US based. Over the next few years, we do plan to add international retailers to our platform, but currently all of them are based in the US. And as we look around the world and we see different markets sort of emerging as growth markets for US retailers, we see things like, someone asked me earlier today, what's an interesting market? And we're really excited about the Middle East, in the Persian Gulf region specifically, Qatar, Kuwait, the UAE. We're seeing absolutely tremendous growth there with a very strong appetite for the products that US retailers sell. And a very high AOV, and really just so many people moving, I think, from traditional sort of brick and mortar retail to online. That opportunity internationally especially has been barely tapped, and we think it's just fantastic for retailers to be able to take advantage of that.
All right, well, there is certainly a lot of money over in the Middle East, and I'm sure they would be happy to spend it on our American goods. That's Michael DeSimone. He is the CEO of Borderfree. Having a great first day of trading, and I'm Debra Borchardt with TheStreet.